In order to check text and grammar on Tappa keyboard, don't forget I'm Gentle Shadow. Now,
How to check spelling and grammar on Tappa keyboard.
click on the search bar on your Android phone or smartphone, any phone you are using, click on the search bar. Now, type anything you want, type anything you want on your keyboard. Let me do some mistake. Now, yeah. Now, in order to check this correctly, click on this robot icon on the side on the keyboard. Now, here you can check the grammar or you can check the spelling. Now, let's check the spelling. As you can see, it is checking the spelling. You see it, you copy it, you paste it. Sorry, paste it by clicking this paste above. You see it. Now, to check the grammar, click on it again. Now, click on check grammar. You see it, it shows you the close relative word for it. You see it, amazing. You see it. That's the one thing about this app. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me if you are on Facebook, because you might not see my video again. Don't forget Gentle Shadow Videos Tech. See you on the next video. Let's go there.